I'm only limited to 5 minutes of talking with this, so sorry it cut me out. I'm sorry that it's going to be 2 videos long, but it just cuts me off. So, like I said, that's what the math is. Monday they'll do this, Tuesday they'll do this, Wednesday they'll do this, Thursday they'll do this. They don't need to do all 4 assignments at once. Um, and on Friday it's just enrichment day with just that writing piece. So they're not really going to do math on Friday. All right, for science, this will be on Monday because science is on Monday. Um, we are moving on to learning about living and non-living things, and a lot of times I like to know what the kids know prior to teaching about living and non-living things. So this first assignment is to see what they know. And it's okay if they get it wrong. Don't try and teach them about living and non-living things right now. I want to see what they know. So before we learn, I want you to think of the word living and think of the word non-living. Then I want you to look at your house and look who's in your house and look at the things that are in your house. And what could be some examples of things that are living in your house? I'm not going to give you any examples. I want you to think about what you think is living in your house. And then what do you think is non living in your house? Think about those words. And once you come up with 3 examples of each, you're going to log into Seesaw, which again is in Clever or on your iPad if you downloaded it. And you'll go to Seesaw. Once you're in Seesaw, you'll find your name and add a drawing. I want you to add a drawing. And in this drawing, I want you to make a T-chart. A T-chart is one big T, just like this. And you're going to write living. Wait. Non-living. And then you're going to write or draw your 3 examples underneath your 3 living examples, your 3 non-living examples, and you're going to turn it in to me for me to see, just like that. Okay, that's science. Social studies is for you to discuss with your family or your parents or your guardians, whoever, your grandparents, whoever is watching you, discuss with your family 3 examples of how you can make school at home a good place for learning. And then you're going to share your examples again with me on Seesaw. You can write your examples on the drawing tab, or you can record yourself on the video tab. I don't care how you show me on that one, but I want you to do one of these 2 options to tell me your 3 examples of how you're going to make um, learning or home a good place for learning. And then, of course, for art, music, and PE on the different days, you click this document, which is the document that the specials team sent, and you can choose an activity from one of those choices. And so that will be depending on the day, right? So art, you would choose only something from the art column. Music, you choose something only from the music column. And then PE, you choose something only from the PE column. But science, you're going to do that on Monday. You're going to do that science activity I just went through. So on Tuesday, you'll do that social studies activity I told you to do. You're not going to do all of this in one day. That's a lot. So just make sure you follow this schedule right here because it tells you first do this, second do this, third do this, first in math do this, second in math do this. Um, yes, so that is understanding the assignments. If you need any help understanding the assignments, I'm here and available. That's why I'm sending it out today so that you have today to look it over and get familiar with it, and you have Sunday to look over and ask me any questions. But you don't have to start until Monday. Monday is the first day of school.